How to use lemon to dissolve gallstones effectively. Gallstones are small stones formed in the gallbladder due to crystallization of bile juice and high cholesterol levels. The size of gallbladder stones may vary from as small as a grain of sand to as large as a golf ball. Gallbladder stones go unnoticed for a long time because they don't cause any symptoms. Problems arise when gallstones get trapped in the opening of ducts inside the gallbladder and cause extreme abdominal pain, bloating, nausea, vomiting, etc. People who are obese, eat fat-rich food, have age over 60 are at higher risk of developing gallstones. Gallstones can be treated with simple home remedies like lemon. Is lemon juice good for gallstones? Lemon juice is a rich source of citric acid and vitamin C that reduces calcification in the gallbladder and helps to dissolve and pass gallstones. Vitamin C present in lemon juice is a powerful antioxidant and potent antimicrobial agent that helps to combat gallbladder infections caused by gallbladder stones. Pectin found in lemon juice helps to get rid of pain, belching and bloating associated with gallstones. Lemon juice prevents the liver from producing cholesterol, which helps in fast recovery from gallstones. How to use lemon juice for removing gallstones. Lemon juice can be used alone or in combination with other natural ingredients to dissolve gallstones naturally. 1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice can be used in concentrated form or mixed with lukewarm water as a remedy for gallstones. Take 4 fresh lemons and squeeze out the juice from the lemons. Consume the fresh lemon juice on an empty stomach. Follow it with a glass of water. Repeat this therapy daily. 2. Lemon juice and olive oil flush. Olive oil reduces the cholesterol level in gallbladder, which in turn lowers the chances of cholesterol solidifying. The slightly acidic nature of olive oil promotes gallbladder contraction and helps to get rid of gallstones. Take 1/2 cup each of unrefined extra virgin olive oil and concentrated lemon juice in a glass bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste to it and mix the ingredients well. Drink this mixture at once or in regular intervals. 3. Lemon juice and apple cider vinegar drink. The highly acidic nature of apple cider vinegar prevents the liver from producing cholesterol, which is responsible for the formation of gallstones. It also breaks down and dissolves gallstones effectively. Mix 1 tablespoon each of apple cider vinegar and lemon juice in a glass of apple juice. Drink this concoction whenever you have gallstone pain. Drink it every morning for a few weeks to dissolve the gallstones. Alternative method: you can also make a drink by adding 1 tablespoon each of lemon juice and apple cider vinegar into a glass of water. 4. Lemon juice and peppermint tea. A compound terpene found in lemon help to dissolve gallstones and relax the spasms that cause gallbladder pain. Peppermint also aids digestion by stimulating the flow of bile and other digestive juices. Bring a cup of water to boil and add a teaspoon of fresh or dried peppermint leaves to it. Remove it from the heat and let the leaves steep for 5 minutes. Strain the tea and add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to it. Drink the tea while it's still warm. Drink this tea 2 times daily for 4 to 6 weeks in between meals. 5. Lemon juice and dandelion tea. Dandelion is yet another beneficial herb for the treatment of gallstones. It contains a compound called taraxacin that aids bile excretion from the liver. It also helps to metabolize fat deposited in the liver and prevent the formation of gallstones. Add 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root to a cup of boiling water. Cover the cup and let it steep for 5 minutes. Strain the tea and add a teaspoon each of honey and lemon juice to it. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day for a couple of weeks. 6. Lemon juice and milk thistle drink. The silymarin present in milk thistle promotes bile production and decreases its concentration, which helps to flush out gallstones. It also supports liver functioning. Grind a tablespoon of milk thistle seeds in a coffee grinder to form a smooth powder. Add this powder to 2 cups of water. Bring the mixture to boil and turn off the heat. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain the tea, Add a teaspoon of lemon juice to it and drink it. Repeat the process 3 times a day for a week. 7. Lemon juice and pear juice mix. Pectin present in pears binds to the cholesterol-filled gallstones so that they can be flushed out from the body. Take 1/2 glass of hot water and add 1/2 glass of pear juice to it. Mix well and add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to it. Have this drink at least 3 times a day for a few weeks. 8. Lemon juice with beetroot, cucumber and carrot juice. A combination of beetroot, cucumber and carrot juice is a powerful remedy for gallstones. Beetroot cleanses gallbladder, liver, colon and blood. High water content of cucumber detoxifies the liver and high vitamin C content of carrot juice dissolves calcium deposits. Extract the juice from 1 beetroot, 1 cucumber and 1 carrot. Mix the juices and add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to it. Consume the mixed vegetable juice. Repeat the process 2 times a day for a couple of weeks. 9. Lemon juice and psyllium water. A diet rich in fiber plays an integral part in curing gallbladder stones. Psyllium is a potent source of soluble fibers. Soluble fibers bind to the cholesterol in bile and prevent the formation of gallstones. It also prevents constipation, which is also a leading cause of gallstone formation. Add a tablespoon of psyllium to a glass water. Add the juice of 1 fresh lemon to it. Drink it every night before going to bed. 10. Lemon juice and celery water. Celery softens the gallstones and stimulates its expulsion through stools. It also works as a laxative that helps to control constipation, which is one of the main causes of gallstone production. Take a handful of fresh celery leaves and add it to a pan containing 1 cup of water. Bring this water to boil and let the celery steep in the boiling water for 5 minutes. Let the water cool down a bit and add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to it. Drink this concoction 1 to 2 times a day for a few weeks. Tips and precautions: concentrated lemon juice is highly acidic and can damage teeth enamel. So, wash your mouth with water after consuming concentrated lemon juice. Always use the juice from freshly cut lemons for maximum effect of vitamin C. The potency and benefits of lemon juice starts decreasing if it is left in contact with the atmosphere. Lemon juice can worsen heartburn problem. So, avoid it if you are suffering from heartburn. Relatively low pH of lemon juice can cause acidity and experience stomach upset. Excessive consumption of lemon juice can cause gastroesophageal reflux disorder, GERD, and ulcers. Drink plenty of water to retain bile in the gallbladder so that it can break down the fat and prevent worsening of the condition. Avoid consuming fatty and oily foods. Try to eat 5 to 6 smaller meals every day instead of 3 large meals. Consume plenty of vitamin C throughout the day by including more citrus fruits in your diet. Use spices and herbs that stimulate the liver and gallbladder such as ginger, black pepper, turmeric, asafoetida, etc.